Russia is firing at a settlement in Belarus near the border with Ukraine in a false flag attempt to draw Minsk into joining Moscow's unprovoked invasion of its neighbor, said Ukraine's Air Command. The Ukrainian military said 2 other Belarusian settlements were also targeted in the same operation. The report came on the same day Belarus's authoritarian ruler Alexander Lukashenko visited with Russian President Vladimir Putin in Moscow. Belarus has assisted Putin in launching the attack by allowing its territory to be used as a staging ground for Russian troops. If this is true, then the Russian President Vladimir Putin is trying to get reinforcements from Belarus because obviously his forces are stuck in so-called special operation in Ukraine. In the meantime, Russian forces are already in Mariupol in the south, which is heavy bombarded by Russian troops. But the latest videos published by Ukrainian authorities are showing that the fight in Mariupol is still on. This video shows direct hit on Russian tank in Mariupol. Here is a direct hit on Russian tank from unknown anti-tank weapon. This is not something we are seeing often, a hit on a Russian bunker full of soldiers. Now, more of those destroyed armored personnel carriers. And at the end, this is a rare video of defusing detonator from a huge bomb. As we can see continuing carnage on Russian troops, it's no surprise that Putin is asking for help from Belarus. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.